Dear student, today we shall learn in circumference and area of a circle. Now first point next, sector and segment. First, sector. Diagram of sector. A circle included area of two radius, OA and OB, two radius. Included area of two radius is a sector. Radius included angle is theta. Smaller area is minor sector, and larger area remaining part is major sector. Length of arc A to B. Length of arc denoted by capital L. First formula. Length of arc L equal to pi r theta upon 180. Second formula. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. Third formula, area of sector again, second form, 1/2 L into R. Suppose given length of arc and radius, put the formula is 1/2 length into radius. Suppose given radius and theta, then put the formula of sector pi r square theta upon 360. Next formula, measure sector area of major sector. Total area of circle pi r square, subtracting minor sector. Area of minor sector pi r square theta upon 360. Area of major sector, total area of circle pi r square, subtracting minor sector, the remaining part of major sector. Next, वॉच की बात करें, मिनट हैंड, मिनट हैंड 1 minute subtended angle equal to 6 degree, and hour hand 1 minute subtended angle equal to 1/2 degree. Then some important formula of sector. First formula, length of arc. Second and third formula, area of sector. Fourth formula, major sector of area of major sector. And minute and 1 minute subtended angle 6 degree, and hour and 1 minute subtended angle half degree. नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट लीजिए. डायग्राम ऑफ सेगमेंट. सर्किल AB is a chord. Chord is divided by two parts of circle. Minor part is minor segment, and remaining part is major segment. Center point O, join O to A and O to B, and included angle theta and radius R and R. First formula, area of minor segment. Area of sector subtracting area of triangle, then remaining part minor segment. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of triangle. Area of triangle depend on the theta. Second part, area of triangle. First time theta equal to 90, then area of triangle 1/2 base into perpendicular. Second way में 1/2 base and perpendicular are radius, therefore r square. Then r square by 2, use the formula of triangle if theta equal to 90. Second case, theta is less than 90. Then area of triangle r square by 2 sine theta. Third case, theta is greater than 90. Then area of triangle equal to r square sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Next formula, area of major segment. Area of major segment equal to total area of circle subtracting area of minor segment, then remaining part the major segment. Area of circle pi r square subtracting area of minor segment, then remaining part of area of major segment. Some important formula of the segment. First formula, area of segment pi r square theta upon 360 minus area of triangle. Different type of area of triangle, theta equal to 90, then put the formula 1/2 base into perpendicular or r square by 2. Theta is less than 90, then put the formula of area of triangle r square by 2 sine theta. Next time theta is greater than 90, then area of triangle r square sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. And last formula, area of major segment, area of total circle pi r square subtracting minor segment area subtract, remaining part is the major segment. Some important question of the minor segment and sector. First question, the radius of a circular grass field is 35 centimeter. There is 7 meter wide ramp around it. Find the area of ramp. Diagram. Circle. This radius equal to 35 meter. And 7 meter wide ramp outer side of circle. Breadth is 7 meter. Therefore, outer radius is 35 plus 7, 42. Greater radius R1 equal to 42 and smaller radius R2 equal to 35 and center is a O. Find the area of ramp. Area of ramp find is. Put the formula. Area of ramp equal to pi greater radius square R1 square minus R2 square. Put the value of radius and pi. 22 upon 7, R1 equal to 42, R2 equal to 35 square. 22 upon 7, Put the formula a square minus b square. 42 plus 35 and 42 minus 35. Put the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Simplify. 22 upon 7 as it is. Add 77. Subtract 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 22 multiply 77 is meter square area of ramp. Multiply by 77 and 22. 14, 115, 14, 115, 4961. 1694 meter square area of ramp. Next question. Second, the radius of circle is 7 meter and angle subtended at the center is 60. Find the length of arc. Diagram: a circle, radius equal to 7 meter, O is a center point, subtended angle is 60 degree. Find the length of arc, means A to B distance, L up, find कीजिए. Length of arc equal to formula pi r theta upon 180. Put the value of radius and theta and pi. Radius equal to 7 meter and theta equal to 60 degree. Pi 22 upon 7. Radius 7, theta 60 upon 180. Cancel 60 and 180 3 times. 7 to 7 cancel. Answer 22 upon 3 meter square is a length of arc. Next question. Question number 3. The radius of a circle is 10.5 centimeter and angle of sector is 45. Find the area of minor sector. Radius equal to 10.5 centimeter and subtended angle equal to 45 degree. Diagram: radius r equal to 10.5, center into O, included theta is 45. Find the area of minor sector. Put the formula area of minor sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Put the value of radius, theta and pi. Pi equal to 22 upon 7. Radius equal to 10.5 and 10.5. Theta equal to 45 upon 360. Point 10 and 10. Simplify. 9 5 ja 9 4 ja 8 ja 22 105 105 7 into 10 into 10 into 8. Cancel 2 11 times and 4 times. Cancel 5 21 2 times and 21 times. 21 3 ja 11 multiplied by 21 3 upon 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16. 11 into 21 3 is 63. Area of minor sector equal to 693 upon 11. Next question. Length of arc equal to 12 centimeter and radius equal to 7 centimeter. Find the area of minor sector. Area of minor sector, length equal to 12 centimeter and radius equal to 7 centimeter. Length of arc and radius are given. Then formula is the second type of formula. Area of minor sector equal to 1/2 length into radius. 1/2 length equal to 12 and radius equal to 7. 2 cancels 12 6 times and 6 7 ja 42 centimeter square. Next question. Radius equal to 7 centimeter and theta equal to 90 degree. Then find the length of arc. Length of arc formula pi r theta upon 180. Simplify. 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. Theta is 90 upon 180. 90 and 180 cancel 2 times. 7 and 7 cancel. 2 again cancel 11 times. 11 centimeter is a length of arc. Second part. Area of minor sector. Formula pi r square theta upon 360. Put the value 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. Multiply by 7. Theta is 90 upon 360. 9 4 ja 36. 7 and 7 cancel. 2 2 ja 4 and 11 2 ja 22. 11 multiplied by 7, 77 by 2 centimeter square. Area of minor sector. Next, third part. Area of segment. Area of major sector. Area of major sector. Area of circle subtracting area of minor sector. Put the value. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 7 multiplied by 7. And area of minor sector 77 by 2. 7 and 7 cancel. 154 minus 77 by 2. 2 LCM minus 77. Subtracting 77. 1, 2 and 1 by 2 centimeter square. Area of major sector is 121 upon 2 centimeter square. Thank you.